Have a good one.
Yeah. This will be, let's get her over and done with, eh?
Yeah, 20 seconds. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Slight right over small crest into 4 left, 100 down middle. Slight right over small crest and 2 right plus. It's 2 right plus. 40. 6 right long over small crest and care 4 left. Care 4 left and 2 right tightens. It's 2 right tightens. 1 left long tightens past lanes. 40. 6 right, well done, 100, double caution, 2 left tightens, slowing into hairpin left tightens. And hairpin right, logs inside. Into 4 right, 40, turn hairpin left. Well done. And 5 right, into 3 left plus, 40, 4 left, opens over small crest and 5 right, 100 up middle, care, hairpin right, deceptive, care, hairpin right, deceptive, nice and tidy out of this one. And 5 left, continues for 80, well done, into 5 right, that's 5 right, 60, slight right into small crest, keep middle and care, 2 left tightens, don't cut, 2 left tightens, don't cut, into turn 2 right, into sudden 1 left, don't cut, sudden 1 left, don't cut, 40, 3 left long, 40, turn hairpin right, rough inside. .130 up middle, 1 left at lane, that's 1 left at lane, and 6 left over small crest, 40, care, 4 left tightens over crest, 60 downhill, hairpin left plus long, into 1 right long tight, it's 1 right long tight, into slight right over crest, that's slight right over crest, into 2 left, 2 left, 80, care, crest and hairpin right, that's crest and hairpin right. .170 downhill, 4 left, hole inside, 150, it's 4 left, hole inside, 150, care, 2 right tightens over small crest, narrows, it's 2 right tightens over small crest, narrows, 40, 5 left long past junction and 5 right, 60, care, square left long deceptive, that's square left long deceptive, and 5 right long, 60, 6 left over bump, 80 up middle, slight right over small crest, 40, 5 left, tightens into 2 left long, that's 5 left tightens into 2 left long, there's a 2 left now, into 1 right tight, 1 right tight, into 2 left plus, 2 left plus, and 1 left tightens, and 1 left tightens, hairpin right, well done, into 1 left opens, 63 posts, turn hairpin left, and 3 right, into 2 left, and 6 left, into 6 right, into small crest long keep middle, and 5 right past lane, that's 5 right past lane, 100, 6 right, 80, care, turn hairpin right, tight through posts, 80 tight, turn hairpin right. .130, flat crest keep middle, 200, 6 left over crest past lane, 150, Well done. 6 right plus, 150. 150 here, 6 left long, 150 at middle. 6 left long here, 150 at middle. Care, small crest into 2 left, opens and pulls away. 2 left here, steady, steady. Opens into 4 left long. And 6 right plus over small crest. 45 left tightens over crest, don't cut camber. 40 downhill. 5 right, 40. Care, 4 right, don't cut into 2 left. 4 right here, don't cut into 2 left. 2 right into hairpin right, tightens, loose. That's hairpin right, tightens, loose. 40. Square left plus over small crest, don't cut. 40. 1 left long, don't cut. There's 1 left long, don't cut. 80 up middle. 6 right over small crest. 80. Slight left into big crest, keep middle. Go on, go on, go on. Big crest, keep middle. Straight now. 150 down middle. Care. 5 right long tightens into hairpin right. 5 right tightens into hairpin right. 60. 4 left, continues to 100, and then tightens into care, 1 left long. 60. 6 left, 60, well done. Small crest into 3 left long, into 4 right, so 3 left long, into 4 right. 200. Slight left over small jump, and 5 right. Into 4 left, slowing, turn hairpin right. So 5 right, into 4 left, into turn hairpin right. 40. 3 left long, don't cut, and turn square right, don't cut. Turn square right, don't cut. 250, up middle. Care, 3 right tightens over crest, don't cut. 3 right tightens over crest, don't cut. 40 through dip, 2 right, 2 right, 60, 6 left, continues to 100, then tightens into 2 left, don't cut, 2 left tightens, don't cut, and downhill, 5 right, 5 right, and 4 right long, tightens, that's 4 right long, tightens, and 5 left over small crest, okay, go on, 100, slight left over crest, and 3 right long, hold inside, 3 right long, hold inside. Into small crest, 5 left, 40, go on, we're okay now, 6 right, 80.
Where we are now, where we are?
80, 6 right long coming now, 130 downhill, 2 right tightens, 2 right tightens. 100, slippy ahead, 2 left past junction, that's 2 left past junction. 150, 6 left plus 80. 3 left tight, that's 3 left tight. And care, 4 right tightens and continues for 100. 4 right tightens and continues for 100. And 4 right again. 4 right again. And 5 left long. And 4 left past hut. 5 left long here, 4 left past hut. 100, turn hairpin left. Opens. Well done, well done. 80 up middle, care, turn hairpin right long around barrier. Well done. And 3 left, into 5 right plus, 150 up middle, turn hairpin left, tightens. 200 up middle, 4 right into turn, 2 left, don't cut. It's 4 right into turn, 2 left, don't cut. 5 right. 130 up middle, 4 right plus, 4 right plus, and 6 left continues for 100, into 3 left, 3 right. So 3 left here, 3 right. 40, 6 left long, opens. 40, 3 right tight, it's 3 right tight, 60, turn 1 right, it's turn 1 right, 40. 6 left, continues to 130, and then tightens.
Holes in there.
4 right past lane. This is 4 right past lane, 40. 6 left, 100. Slight left into 4 right over finish. Just slight left into 4 right over finish. 200 to stop. Go on, go on. Well done, well done. Masterful.